Hey friends, hope you're well and welcome to the new update on YFI token. As in my last video, I told you, even I warned you that the price action of YFI token can drop up to 90% more. And you can see that so far it has dropped 54% since my last video. And this was a video that I shared almost 3 weeks ago, and I told you that it can drop up to 90% more from here. And there are a lot of people who disliked my video, and there could be the reason that they have bought the YFI token at the high price, and I'm predicting that it will be dropped more. But unfortunately, in today's video, I'm going to tell you again that it can even drop more from here. First of all, I want to show you the previous reasons, a recap why I was predicting that it can drop up to 90% more. First reason was this head and shoulder pattern on the daily chart. And after formation on the daily chart, this head and shoulder pattern, the price action even broke down the neckline of this head and shoulder pattern. And after breaking down the neckline, it turned more strong bearish. And the basic reason was the formation of the different harmonic moves. For example, first of all, let me just show you the YFI with Bitcoin pair. And this was the idea that I shared with you in my previous video as well. On 3rd October, I shared this idea on the TradingView as well. And you can see that at that time in the Bitcoin market, the price was almost 2 BTC. You can see here. And after that, it is dropped up to 0.91 BTC. So far, it has dropped more than 54% in the Bitcoin market. But this final leg of this bullish butterfly pattern has been completed, and it has entered in this potential reversal zone. And if I show you the YFI with US dollar market, then this was the idea that I shared with you in my previous video, that I also shared on the TradingView as well on 3rd of October, you can see. And I'm just going to play this chart, and you can see that the price action is very close to enter in this potential reversal zone. And after entering in this potential reversal zone, we can expect that it can move up to this Fibonacci projection, and this is a projection of A to D leg. And as per Fibonacci projection of bullish butterfly, it can enter in this zone. But so far this leg is not completed, and we can expect that in the US dollar market it will be dropped more down. And if it will be more dropped more down in the US dollar market, definitely it will be dropped more down in the Bitcoin market as well. Now let's move to the live chart, and this is the daily live chart, and we can see that in the US dollar market we have the last support at $4,684. Therefore, in worst case situation, I'm not expecting that it can drop more down than this level. But it is not mandatory that it will be moved up to this level. But if in the worst case situation, I'm talking about the worst case situation, if it will be dropped more down, turn more strong bullish, then there will be difficult for the price line to cross down this level that is $4,684. And if we take a look in the Bitcoin market, then our last support is at almost 4.01 Bitcoin. So this can be our last support in the Bitcoin market as well. And if we take a look on the different indicator and the moving averages, first of all, I want to show you the exponential moving averages on the daily chart. This is the exponential moving average 21, and exponential moving average, this blue one, is the 10. And you can see that the exponential moving average 10 is moving below the exponential moving average 21. So this is a bearish signal. I'm expecting that when the price action will be entered in the potential reversal zone of this bullish butterfly pattern in the US dollar market, then after that I will wait for the exponential moving average 10 to cross up this exponential moving average 21, like it was moving above the exponential moving average 21. And after that it was very strong. At that time it was very strong bullish, because whenever the smaller time period moving average crosses up the bigger time period moving average, that is considered as a buying or bullish signal. And we can observe this move here as well. And when the smaller time period moving average crosses down the bigger time period moving average, so this is the sell signal or bearish signal, and we can observe that after this bear cross, when this exponential moving average 10, the smaller time period moving average crossed down this bigger time period moving average here, then the price action turned more strong bearish and dropped more down. So I'm expecting this bull cross when the price action will be entered in this potential reversal zone. And I'm also keeping an eye on these indicators and oscillators. For example, if we take a look on the MACD, the moving average convergence divergence, then it was strong bullish, and now it is turned weak bullish, and now after that it will be turned strong bearish after this weak bullish. And I'm expecting that it will turn weak bearish, strong bearish from this weak bullish signal, because I'm expecting the completion of this final leg of the bullish butterfly pattern, and for that indicators needs to turn bearish. And if we take a look on this stochastic oscillator, then it has already visited oversold zone several times, and again it is in the oversold zone again, and has given the bearish signals or bear cross. And if we take a look on the RSI, the relative strength index, then we have still more space for the RSI to drop more down, so it can lead the price action to move more down. Now if we switch on the 12-hour chart, then we can see that the price action formed a double bottom here and tried to cross up this level, but in the meanwhile the price action also has formed this double top and breaking down this support of the double bottom. And if I copy these lines, for example, this is the double bottom, this is the support line for the double bottom, and paste it here on the daily chart, and we can see that at this time the price action is breaking down the double bottom, this support of the double bottom on the 12-hour chart and on the daily chart as well. And if I copy this double top resistance on this daily chart, then we can see that the price action even on the daily chart was likely to start its movement in the parallel channel, but at this time even on the daily chart it is breaking down the support, and after breaking down the support we can expect that the price action can turn more bearish, and it can lead the price action to enter in this potential reversal zone. But when this leg of the bullish butterfly will be completed, then we should take a look on the different indicators and on the different oscillators and the moving averages. For example, I am looking on these signals. I will be looking at the bull cross between the EMA 10 and 21. I will be looking at the moving average convergence divergence indicator with the combination of RSI and the stochastic. And when the price action will be in the potential reversal zone of that butterfly pattern, and all these indicators will give us the confirmed bullish signals, then we can enter in the trade and we can place our sell orders here. But if the price action will be able to cross up this level, that is a 0.786 Fibonacci projection of A to D leg, then it can even turn more bullish. So it can be up to 1600% bullish move when this leg will be completed, and it will start the bullish move from here. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. Take care. Goodbye.